Hello guys, today I want to show you the sender of Makita product. This is one of the best of the Makita product for carpenter. So today also I just unbox because I just get it, and then I don't know inside what is inside, and then you see in the box write down BO6050J. Yes, J at the end. I mean that this box, yeah, because this the Makita product have BO6050 only. Yes, this is a sender and use a handle grip, and then have double insulator and variable speed, soft start, and constant speed. Yeah, this is a 150 millimeter diameter of the descender. Yes, then this box is a compact. Yes, it's compact and easy to carry to the job site, keep in the workshop. Okay, and this box is have the bell strap, and then small portable. Okay, we will see inside together has anything. Yes, this is the just warranty, and then this is the instruction manual. Instruction manual is important before we starting or upgrade the product. Yes, instruction manual show us how to use. Yes, instruction manual write down random orbit sender. Yes, this is a Makita product. We call this product, yes, you know, random orbit sender. Random orbit sender is the name of the product because this product is used for random. Okay, and then this is a Thailand language, and then this is the model BO6050. Yes, this is a model, and then I show you J at the end. It's a box. It's the box. Okay, and then this instruction manual show you how to use. Yeah, from finger 1 to, yes, 15 and 1. This is the switch. This is a mode. This is the switch off, and then how to use at the egg, and then this is a variable speed, dual variable speed to take this one, and then the grip, many things, and then this is the specification. Makita orbit sender, random orbit sender. The pad diameter is 150 millimeter, and abrasive disc diameter 150 millimeter for the orbit per minute 1600 to 6800 per minute, and then overall length 330 millimeter. For the weight is a light weight, only 2.6 kilogram. Yes, and in the box, see together in the box, this one is a DPO, the BO605, yes, the BO6050, and then this is a abrasive disc. Yeah, important one. This is 120. Yeah, this is the the thickness, I mean abrasive size. Yes. Okay, and then you see this product is good. Okay, you see this is the pad diameter 150, and abrasive disc 150 also, and then this is logo Makita product, and then this is the charts of rotation speed, because this is a deal from 1 to 5. 1, deal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, then you see this is you can remove out. Yes, you can remove. You insert, and this is a grip. Please see the sticker Makita BO 6050, and this is the diameter of the pad, and this also 150, and for the voltage we can use 220 to 140 volt, and this is 6 ampere, 3.5 ampere. This is a frequency 50 to 60 Hz, and then you see together in 750 watt. This is the continuous rating. This product is use the power direct from the electricity, and then we use this product need to use 750 watt, and then we see this one. Can see or not? You can see 1600 to 6800 random per minute or bit per minute. Yes, and then this is the year of producing, and then this is serial. For the product is good because this product made in Japan. Yes, made in Japan. And then this is the mode. This is mode, 2 mode, 1 mode and 2 mode. This is a switch out, switch on, switch out, switch on. Yes. This is the dust nozzle, dust extraction nozzle. Yeah, we insert, and then we clamp with the side, and then we use for the cord length is 2.5 meter. Yes, 2.5 meter. For the weight it's only 2.6. Yes. And then this box is easy to carry to the job site. Oh, forgot. This is a grip. Yes, this is a normal grip, because sometimes we use this one. Yeah, we cut this one, and sometimes we use the grip. Yes, side grip. And the Makita product is designed with the ergonomic grip. This one, ergonomic grip. And this is lock of the blade before we change the pad. And this is we can take out. You can take out also. Yes, you can take out. Okay. You see, it's easy. This is a the vent. I mean the air. This is the air also, airflow. Yes. Okay, good. Yes. For my unboxing and reviewing is sometimes have the lack information, so please comment below and subscribe my channel to get more information about the Makita product, and I will upload the new product also, and I will show all how to use the testing, demonstrate, and then after that I will show how to maintain it also. Okay, for my channel this is that's all. So let me know if you want to see more product. Okay, goodbye.